Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making roasted radishes. This is the first time I've made these and the first time I'm going to be tasting these. My best friend told me that she makes these all the time and they are incredible. So we're going to give these a try and see how they taste. They were easy enough to make and I'm really looking forward to tasting these. You want to see how I did this? Stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a couple of bunches of radishes. I'm going to clean these, trim them, and cut them in half lengthwise. And I need 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1/2 lemon, salt and pepper. And after I get these all cleaned up, I'm going to be putting them in the bowl and mix the oil and the lemon juice and salt and pepper together and season them. And I'm going to be preheating the oven to 375 degrees, and these are going to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I've got all the radishes cut in half. The really big ones I cut in quarters so that they'd all cook about the same. And I actually have 4 bunches in here, so I've doubled everything. This is 5 tablespoons of olive oil and an entire lemon. And I'm just going to mix this in. And get this coated. And then I'm going to put this in the 9x13 pan and give it a little salt and pepper. And then it's going to go in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And you can pretty much tell when it's all coated. And the salt and pepper is just to taste. Okay. We put this in the oven because it is and not like finding a couple of lemon seeds. And after this has been cooking for about 10 minutes, I'm going to come in here and stir it up and then let it finish. Well, I've let these go just a little bit longer than the recipe actually called for. It called for 20 to 25 minutes and I let it go for 35 because these are really big, and I know that you want the fork to go in there easily. So I'm going to plate these up and I'm going to give these a taste, and we'll see if I like them as much as my friend told me I will. Okay, here goes. I'm going to give this a try. That is a very unique flavor. And I like this. This is really good. Now, my friend did tell me that Sometimes she makes it with the lemon, sometimes she makes it just with the olive oil. The lemon gives it a really tart flavor. I think the next time I make this, it'll be without the lemon. But yeah, this is pretty good. And it's veggies. It's low carb, which is something I can have on this diet. Oh yeah, this is really good. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.